All right, you guys, I just want to show you exactly where I was looking at some practice for Khan Academy. If you just type into Google Khan Academy and click the very first link that pops open, that's what you're looking for. Don't worry about any of this stuff in here. Just look at the top left corner where it says courses. Go under math and find Algebra 1. And then scroll down until you find the category right here. Quadratic functions and equations. And here's what I want you to do. I want you to get some practice under vertex form, and I want you to get some practice under completing the square. So under vertex form, if I click that, there's some videos that go with it as well. You don't have to watch those. You can if you want to. And I want you just to practice this first one. If you want to try some of the word problem ones, you absolutely can. They're totally doable, okay? Then if I click back, I want to go to that same area, quadratic functions and equations, and go to completing the square and just get some practice completing the square. You should be able to do most of these. If you get to a completing the square question that has an a value that's not +1, that's what I talked about in the lesson video. It's not something that we know how to do yet, so please don't panic. This is purely informal practice just to kind of get you going and see what you remember from before spring break. Remember my office hours today. In fact, let me check when my office hours are today. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you that while I have you on here. If you go to your Google Classroom, this is where I'm going to post everything. I did post under classwork, under syllabus, resources, and other important information, my online office hours beginning today. So it's Mondays and Wednesdays from 10 to 11:30 and Tuesdays and Thursdays from 11:30 to 1. You do not have to let me know that you're stopping by and saying hi in any way, shape, or form. You just got to go to this link using your Stargate email, and just go to this link and just pop in and say hi. There might be other students there because don't forget I teach Algebra 1, Algebra 2, and Prob and Stats. So just make sure you're waiting patiently, and if you want to just say hi, that's awesome. If you have a math question, that's okay too. Whatever you need me for, I'll make sure I'm available during those times. So let me know if you need anything.